Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name is Dylan, and I am with my special friend,
Leia.
What's up, Leia? How's it going?
It's going pretty well. How's your day going?
Good. So if you guys don't remember Leia, she was in one of the other videos that we did where she got in and what happened in that video? Do you remember?
I was pretending to be an underage passenger. So
yeah.
Things got a little crazy. But
She's 18 plus. Hashtag 18 plus. And yeah, but anyways, so that was a real video, so sorry to all the people who actually thought, wait.
It wasn't a real video.
Oh, it was not a real video, sorry. It was fake. But anyways, today I brought her on because she has a crazy story that she was like, Dylan, I need to share with you, right?
Yeah, I knew that the Rideshare Hub would appreciate this, and it's just a pretty crazy story.
I have not heard this at all, so I'm gonna react live. She said it's crazy, and she's like, Dylan, we have to film a video for this. So I was like, you know what? My audience is the best audience, so let's give them this exclusive Rideshare content.
Yeah, it's very exclusive.
Yeah. So, yeah, what's...
So,
give
basically...
a little hold on. Gotta introduce yourself first.
I'm Leia.
Fun fact. Do you take Uber and Lyft a lot?
Yeah, I'd say that's my fun fact. I take Uber and Lyft a lot.
How often?
Actually not too much, probably like a few times a week. And
do you like Uber or Lyft better?
Uber. Fun fact is I've only ever taken one Lyft in my whole life.
Oh wow, so you like the Ubers. It's because the Uber drivers are better, right?
No, it's just because, yeah,
That's just what you like.
Yeah.
Cool. So yeah guys, before we get into the video, please hit the like button. If you are an Uber or Lyft driver, smash the thumbs up button, or if you just like making money, smash the thumbs up button, right?
Yeah, and if you want to hear more crazy stories like this, you can subscribe as well.
Subscribe to the channel, guys. You do not want to miss out.
No.
This is the best channel for rideshare drivers, right? We're sitting at like 17,000 subscribers. Pretty crazy.
Woo!
So if you're not one of those 17,000, today is your day.
It's your
all right?
day.
Let's get to 17,001. Okay, so without further ado, let's hop right into this video, okay?
Okay.
Hop right into this story. Go for it.
Okay, so about a year ago, not this past August, but the August before, I don't know if any Rideshare Hub fans have been to the music festival Outside Lands, but I was...
Outside Lands, that's in San Francisco?
Yeah, so I'm sure...
Every summer, right?
Every summer. So I was heading to this festival, and I was living somewhere else in the Bay Area at the time, and my friends and I thought, what better way to get to the festival than to call an Uber? You know, pretty standard situation.
Pretty standard stuff, yeah.
And
shout out to Earth Cafe, by the way.
Shout out. And so we were thinking, wow, what better way to get there than call an Uber?
Because you didn't want to walk.
Didn't want to walk. Probably would have been like a few day walk. So
you don't want to take the bus?
No, not that time. So, you know, we call an Uber, and it was about like 6 of us. So we had to call an Uber XL. And we get in, and the driver is, you know, pretty normal driver, pretty nice seeming. And
how old was he? Do you know? Do you remember?
I'm gonna say he was like 50.
Oh, so he's pretty young.
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
Hey, 50 is the new 20.
Yeah. So,
people live to like 110 these days.
So he was pretty young, great guy it seemed, and so we get in and we're chatting and we're having a nice time. You know, he gives us the aux cord. We're playing our music.
Was he pretty attractive, you'd say?
I wouldn't go that far.
You were just his driver. That was it.
Yeah, there was nothing else going on there. But you know, we felt a connection when he let us. No, when he let us use the aux cord.
Oh, okay. How is that a connection?
Oh, it's just like nice when the Uber driver says like, "Here's the aux cord. Can you, you know, you can play some music."
Oh yeah.
So it's nice. You know, I would say drivers out there, take that as a tip. That was the one good thing.
So there's 4 of you guys.
I'm gonna say there was like 5 or 6 of us.
Was it, so he had a van? Or like,
he had like a minivan. Yeah.
Okay, so
like
7.
Mom car.
So it was 3 rows? Or did you guys double buckle?
It was 3 rows.
Oh, okay.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
Maybe there was some double buckling going on there though.
Ooh.
So it may have been kind of, you know, that may have been a big no-no from the start. But, so we're driving, and it's actually such a busy day that he has to take a detour to go like all the way around and to the festival.
So not across the bridge?
Not across the bridge.
He went down to South Bay?
He went up to like, for example, the Richmond Bridge and then back down or something crazy.
That's way out of the way.
So, you know, we get to the festival. Well, hold on. The important part is that he said to us, look, I'd love to pick you up from the festival at night. You know, we're getting there at like 1 or 2 p.m. and we're gonna be done at like 10, let's say. And it's at a music festival. I don't know if any of you have been to a music festival, but a lot of times there's so many people that there's no cell service, which is obviously difficult to call an Uber if you don't have any cell service. So
that's why he wanted...
Well, he just said to us, look, I'd love to have a ride at the end of the day. So
sure.
You guys can, here's my number. He gave us his personal phone number.
Yeah, that's not good.
And he said, here's my number. Take it down at the end of the day. And at the end of the day, you can call me and I'll come get you. And I'll charge, you know, X amount less than whatever the price is at the festival.
So he's gonna charge you outside of the app?
Yes. Cash.
Cash. Yeah.
I don't know if that's something that's normal for Uber drivers.
It's totally illegal.
Oh, okay. That's why I was thinking, like, I wasn't sure about the legality.
Well,
so that's kind of crazy then, that he even offered this as a driver.
Drivers can get deactivated. It's illegal. They can actually technically go to jail for doing this.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh. Because basically, if you guys didn't know, the people watching, and for you, Uber drivers, when you get your license, you're not allowed to transport people in exchange for money. It's illegal. You don't get that privilege with the normal driver's license. Yeah, you can take your friend down the street or whatever and you can pitch him for gas, but to find a random stranger and go, hey, $50 and I'll take you to whatever, Idaho, downtown Idaho.
So he offered this.
So he went against the rules, whatever.
Okay. But we're still, you know, this was a year ago. We were young, you know, and we just thought,
maybe even young, dumb, and broke?
Maybe, yeah, exactly. And so we thought, you know, this sounds like a good thing. We had all been to the festival before, and it can be a real hassle to get an Uber at the end of the day. So we were like, this sounds good. He drops us off at the festival, and he says, I'll see you at the end of the day. Did
you guys agree where to meet or anything?
No, we didn't.
You're just like, all right, I'll find you.
We'll call you. Okay. And, you know, we didn't have too much faith in the situation working out, but we thought we'll give it a shot, you know?
Sure.
So we had a great day at the festival, amazing music, amazing vibes, and at the end of the day, one of my friends who had taken down his number gave him a call, and lo and behold,
well, you didn't have service though. How did you meet him?
Well, I think that we had enough service to make a phone call.
But not
the issue was like not enough to order an Uber ride.
Because there's like thousands.
Yeah, exactly. And the main thing too is, you know, we were college students. It seemed, and when there's so many people around, I'm sure Uber drivers know about surge pricing.
Was there like a rideshare pickup zone, or you just met him on the random corner?
I think we met him on a random corner. Okay. So like there should have been rideshare pickup zones, and since he wasn't doing it through the app, we could meet him wherever.
Okay.
So we met him on like a little side street. Kind of
dark alleyway.
We were like walking to a specific place, and we actually had to walk a few blocks.
He wanted you to meet someone.
Yeah. So, you know, we meet him and we get in the car. And we had sort of agreed on a price earlier. And we get in the car and we're driving around, and he changes what that price was going to be.
How much did he say it was going to be?
I can't quite remember. I think we were willing to pay like 30 or 40, and like we get in the car and he's like 80.
Okay.
But after he's already started driving us. So we're like, he looks down at his app and he says, oh, it would actually be 80.
Oh my God.
So you have to pay me like, you know, 75 or like something like that.
Yeah.
And we were like, no, we agreed on a certain price. You know, that's normally how things work. An agreement is an agreement.
Yeah.
And so we basically had like probably an hour ride back home.
Yeah.
And the whole ride, he was arguing with us. We were about to get out of the car at one point.
Really?
You know, we were like, we don't want to do this. We were about to get out. And he's like, oh, no. Like, it was kind of crazy. And in retrospect, I do think that my friends and I made a mistake by going along with this. And I wouldn't, exactly. This is a caution for you all. If you ever take Uber and Lyft, do not do this when it's not through the app. Like, you could get yourself in some crazy situations.
You realize you could have kidnapped you.
Yeah, exactly.
And it would not have been
I wouldn't be here today making this video. And it's not really that funny, you know?
I know.
When it comes down to it, he had basically our lives in his hands. And
you could not even have been your driver.
Exactly. And just to think about, you know, it takes two to tango, they always say. And like, on his side of things, he shouldn't have done a ride not through the app.
Yeah, and you guys shouldn't have accepted. But you guys thought you were getting a sweet deal.
Yeah, exactly. And he seemed like a great guy, letting us use his aux cord, etc.
He lured you in.
Yeah, exactly. And
the old candy, get into a van
you know, exactly. People tell you, don't take candy from strangers. Don't go into a van.
If somebody has a offering your little kid a puppy,
do not go in.
If you're a little kid watching, if a guy comes up to you in a van asking you to hold his puppy, don't get in the car.
So basically we didn't even have enough cash on us to pay this guy because we had a different price in mind. And so he gets to our drop-off location that we had told him to go to.
Yeah.
And we all have to like scramble inside of our house and like look for cash to be able to then give it to him. And I think we kind of ended up negotiating somewhere in the middle of the two extremes. But yeah, Uber drivers never take rides that aren't through the app. And
you guys, like, from his perspective, you guys totally could have just like left and like not even come back with the cash.
Exactly.
So like,
it can end up to be a huge lose-lose when it might seem like a win-win.
Also, just the liabilities too. Imagine if you guys were in an accident.
Yeah.
There would have been no insurance. The driver would have, because, you know, he's doing it illegally. He would have got deactivated from Uber. Yeah.
So I have a question for you. Do you think that from the rider perspective, other than like potentially being kidnapped and murdered, or something of the sorts, are there any legal problems for the rider?
The rider?
Yeah.
No, the rider's fine.
Oh, okay. Good.
It's not, you're just getting a ride.
Yeah.
You're pretty much hitchhiking and paying them. Okay. But no, the driver's, that's totally legal for the driver. Okay. Oh my gosh, look at that car. Ooh. Oh my god, we just saw a car like
do some crazy thing.
Okay, you guys totally missed that. Sorry.
Sorry. But yeah, I mean.
No, okay. So what I was saying, the driver, so his insurance won't cover it because it's not a normal ride. Like, if you're not allowed to transport people for money. Uber won't cover it obviously because it's not even in the app. Uber's like, we didn't even know you're driving, so you're not in the app. You can get a ticket because you're misusing your personal driver's license by taking people in exchange for money. Yeah. And so there's a lot that could go wrong there on both ends. And for the driver's side, you guys potentially could have injured him too. Yeah, that's a really good point. And that wouldn't have been, like, you guys aren't, it's not tracked through the app. They don't know who you are. Yeah. So this is just a cautionary tale. Luckily, I'm here today and it didn't go too terribly, but
it could have been a lot worse. And this, we might be talking about it in a lighthearted manner, but it is a serious issue.
Yeah, do not take people for cash rides.
Do not.
If you are.
Or Venmo rides.
Or Venmo or PayPal, anything. Do rides only in the app unless you have an actual business license and business company.
Yeah. If
you have a business license, a business company, then
Then you're a cab driver.
You own a taxi and cab company.
Yeah.
And you're fine. Do that. But if you don't mess around with this stuff, guys.
And we'd love to hear your stories of the similar things down below if you have them.
Yeah.
Or maybe not if you're a
If you have not been fortunate enough to learn that you should not do it, you know,
let this be your learning experience.
This is your lesson. If you've made that mistake, be fortunate that nothing bad happened. But again, do not want this to be on your conscience.
Stay safe out there. Stay safe.
This is Uber driving. This is serious stuff, you know?
Yeah.
You're transporting people. Passengers are trusting you with their lives. So.
Yeah.
Driving is dangerous enough. Don't complicate it.
Yeah.
Any final words?
No, I think we said it all, but yeah, be careful out there. And yeah, give a big thumbs up and make sure to subscribe for more cautionary tales like this.
Thank you guys for watching today's video. I really do appreciate it. Again, I know this is more of a serious one, but most of my other videos are very like positive, you know, ways to make money as a driver, but at the same time we do need to be like serious at sometimes.
And have like those sit down conversations.
This is a sit down talk. Let us know if you like the sit down talks.
Yeah.
Maybe we'll do another one. Thumbs up if you liked Leia coming on the channel. Smash the thumbs up button for her. Or tap it, you know, if you're on your phone with your thumb or your first finger, whichever one you do prefer. I don't really care as long as it's blue. And subscribe so you don't miss more videos on Uber and Lyft. Again, let us know your stories down below. Have a great day. Make some money, but stay safe out there. You guys are the greatest rideshare audience in the world. We'll talk to you all soon. All right, bye guys.
Bye. Thanks for having me.